This graph shows an indicative relationship between probability and variable being managed. When we take any decision related to risk management, then we try to manipulate some variable. Change in the variable value will change the probability also. For example, if we increase the height of a place where we keep the valuable items, then the probability of flood water reaching to that level will go down. So if we are increasing the height, then the probability will be going down. This way, for all the kind of variables which can be used in managing the risk, we can see that if the variable value is changed, then the probability also changes. The rate at which the probability change, that will depend on so many factors. So here in this graph, we have taken on the x-axis variable being managed, and on the y-axis the probability of certain risk taking place. As the variable increases, the probability goes down. Here in this part, we see that an increase in variable value is reducing the probability very slowly, while in this part, an increase in variable value is getting the probability down very sharply. Once again, when the variable reaches this level, that is on the higher side, again the probability of risk happening is now reducing slowly. This is a very common phenomena in risk management, that the probability of risk happening will be changing fast or slow in certain zones. So that's why we can identify various risk zone where, depending on the sensitivity of probability, we can choose risk management measures. In a very rough way, we have divided this zone in three different parts. Say one, that is A, the second is B, and the third is C. In risk zone A, as you can notice that probability is changing very slowly, but it is very high. In B zone, the probability is somewhere in the middle and it is falling very fast. So a small change in variable value will change the probability drastically. In C zone, once again the probability is insensitive to the change in variable value. Here a big change in variable value too will reduce the probability very little. Now zone A, where the probability of risk is very high and risk management measures to change the variable value is likely to reduce the probability very little. That is the area where the risk management professionals would suggest that it should be completely avoided. In C area, again, the risk is very low, that probability is very low, and any measure taken to manage that will change the probability very little. So here again, the usefulness of risk management practices will not be that high. So any justification will not be there related to expenses which we incur in risk management practices. But this B zone is the real game, where the probability changes fast on changes in the variables, which we manage by various risk management measures. And here any expense made on risk management practices will be giving good result, because a small change in variable value is likely to change the probability drastically and thus reducing the probability of risk happening significantly.